just a wee short video of the CSL, Stefan. As you can see, it has all the hallmarks of one's been carefully looked after. Just show you inside the cabin. You can see the seats are really tidy. Steering wheel is really good. And there's new CSL inserts. Show you inside the rear cabin. As you can see, just there's no nasty dents, scuffs, scores, scratches or anything like that. Just very tidy throughout.